we've had a good look at BlendSpace and created two pieces of work, two spaces, one on ecological footprint and one on bones. And we've found it very, very useful as an app. We think it would work very, very well with children in a blended classroom situation because they have a variety of different activities that they can go and explore, or clips from Google, from YouTube. There are images. So they can just work through their space at their own pace and do an activity as a result of what they've learned independently.
This is a really easy program for teachers to use. You open up the BlendSpace program, and then you spend time looking through Google, and you find the Google Docs that you like, or the Google things on Google that you like, or you can use YouTube, and you just drag and drop them into the program. You can add texts where you can give children actual tasks to do, and once you've completed this, you then can share it with the children.